Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Lisa's Coloring Corner. I had a request from a viewer to do a complete flip through of this particular book after she watched one of my coloring book collections videos. She wanted to see this color by number book. This is put out by Flametree Studios. Words and selection by Daisy Seal is what it says on the front. So I'm going to do a complete flip through of this book. It is a rather thick book, as you can see, so it may take a little bit, but to give you a better idea of what is in oh, sorry, did I bump you guys? Of what is in this book, we will flip through it. The paper in here is very nice. It's quite toothy, just be aware of that, but it is nice heavy paper. Here we have the title page, and then it does give you over here just some of the different birds in here, some indications of what some of the birds are if you want to look them up and color them. Well, I guess you wouldn't need to color or look them up. It just dawned on me, wait a minute, these are colored by number. But you don't necessarily have to follow their colors. You can color it however you want. It does give you a how to use page. Here are the numbers that you use throughout the book. And it says these are suggestions only. So for instance, dark blue can be replaced by black and the cream can be interpreted as white. Try experimenting by combining and shading too. So there, you know, they tell you, you don't have to follow just their color palette. You can make up your own. So let's look at the pages themselves. Now these are double-sided, so unfortunately alcohol markers will not work in here, but water-based markers would work great. Just have to be aware that if you scribble in an area, it will or possibly bleed through to the other side. Never mind my messy thumb here. I did a previous video for my 750 giveaway, and I did ask about some Sioux color markers that I'm thinking about giving away. I went through and made sure that they were all still juicy, and I got my fingers a little stained up from that. So they're not just dirty, filthy, they are stained. So here we go. Let's get on with this. On the bottom of each page, it does show or have an indication here. It says beautifully inked by, and you leave your name in there. So that's a nice feature. Let me pull this over here so you can see both pages. Really pretty pages in here. Beautiful bird drawings. I think they're so pretty. I have to get this book back out. I think I did one in here. Unless it was the other in this series. There are a few in this series. I will link this book down below. In case anybody would like to purchase it. I hope this is not too bright from my patio door blinds being open. The sun is not quite coming in on my desk yet, but it does look like it's a little bright. I hope that's not washing out too bad and that you can see it yet. Maybe I'll hold it up a little and then you can see better. Yeah, it looks like that helps. It is bright and early here in the morning, so yes, the sun is coming up. It is starting to come across my desk again. but it's nice to see the sun. Unfortunately, it's quite cold out yet. Hey, but things are looking up. We are supposed to only warm up now the rest of the week. Unfortunately, because of that, this weekend we're supposed to possibly get some messy weather again with freezing rain. So, yes, these are beautifully drawn out. All different kinds of birds and flowers. If you like coloring flowers too, hibiscus, I love hibiscus. Rose, is that a lotus flower? Look at the hummingbird. Oh, love hummingbirds. I did want to mention, and I will mention this while I'm continuing this flip through, because this is a little bit longer flip through. I am doing a collab with our Mama Fruit Bat, Miss Ann from A Colorful Life, and we will be coloring a page, not the same page, but different pages out of one of Tim Jeff's books, Intricate, oh geez, I don't have the book here, Intricate Animals in Ink or something like that. I apologize. And we each will be coloring it differently. I am going to be coloring my image realistically, and Mama Fruit Bat is coloring hers in fantasy colors. We will be putting our videos up on YouTube this Saturday, so you can look forward to those videos from both Ann and myself. I am very nervous about doing that picture because his work just intimidates the heck out of me, and I think I have only colored, I have all 3 books, but I think I've only colored 1 or 2 out of all of them. So we'll see how it goes. All of these birds just kind of reminded me of that because I'm going to be coloring a hummingbird. Look at the cockatoo. One of the parrots upside down. A lot of parrots, things like that in here. Look at that. Some of you call them budgies, parakeets. So yes, lots and lots of pretty birds in here. As I said, it is quite a large, thick book. The size of it is also quite big. Here again is another reference page showing the colors that would be used within the book. Again, you can or don't have to follow those recommended colors. Again, this is by Flametree Publishing. Gives you their website and their blog name if you are interested in signing up for that. Here is the back cover. It does state each page is perforated and ready for you to frame. So they are all perforated. You can therefore easily take them out of the book to color. So that is the flip through of Exotic Birds Color by Number book, again by Flametree Studio. I hope everybody enjoyed this flip through, and if you did, give me that thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing and hit that bell so you know when I put out new videos. I hope everybody is having a terrific day and a terrific week. And as always, happy coloring.